Unraveling English Collocations, a journey into advanced vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of collocations. If you're an advanced English learner striving to sound more fluent and natural, mastering collocations is a surefire way to achieve that. But what exactly are collocations, and how do they work? Let's dive in. In simple terms, a collocation is a pair or group of words that are often used together. These combinations just sound right to native English speakers. Examples include fast food, make a decision, and strong coffee. By using collocations, you can make your English sound more natural and idiomatic. Now, it's essential to understand that there are several different types of collocations. Knowing these can help you better identify and use collocations in your conversations. Let's take a look at the 5 most common types. 1. Verb plus noun. This is perhaps the most common type. It includes examples like take a shower, do homework, and make a mistake. 2. Adjective plus noun. This type of collocation often describes something or someone, such as heavy rain, strong wind, or deep thought. 3. Noun plus noun. These collocations often act as a single concept. Examples include bread and butter, peace and quiet, and law and order. 4. Adverb plus adjective. In these collocations, an adverb is used to modify an adjective. Examples include completely satisfied, fully aware, or highly unlikely. 5. Verb plus adverb. This type involves a verb followed by an adverb, adding more detail to the verb. Examples include whisper softly, smile broadly, and run quickly. Mastering collocations isn't something that happens overnight, but don't worry. Here are a few steps that can help. 1. Read and listen a lot. Collocations are everywhere in English, so reading books, watching movies, and listening to conversations will expose you to many examples. 2. Practice speaking and writing. Try to incorporate collocations into your English as much as possible. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. 3. Use collocation dictionaries. These are great resources that can help you find common collocations. And that's a wrap on our introduction to collocations. Remember, collocations are key to sounding more natural and fluent in English, and understanding their types will make it easier for you to incorporate them into your conversations. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'm sure you'll master them in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning journey.